Hi, good morning, my friend. This is your boy, Colton Havens. I am in Seattle right now, headed to Anchorage, Alaska. Gonna be there for 7 days. Been doing a lot of traveling. Flew in from Midland yesterday and also left this morning at 4 in the morning. So I've been doing and bouncing here and there. If this is your first time watching me, make sure you hit that bell notification, like and follow the page. If you think the content is worth it, make sure you hit the share button after we're done. But there was a great concept. Larry Beecham, one of my mentors that I learned through online marketing, he went over some great points of the difference between being excited in your opportunity or your business and being committed to your opportunity or business. And now this can go with your relationships. This can go with your family, right? Are you just excited about it? You know, when you first start dating somebody, are you just excited about them, or are you committed to them? Okay. And the great way to know if you are just excited or you're committed, because what happens with excitement is when you get into like meetings that I have on Mondays, all those new people that come in, they see how much money can be made, they get excited, they get pumped up, and then they get on the field a few weeks later and that excitement so slowly fades away. And now it comes down to the commitment part, and if they're not committed to it, they're not going to stick it out through the shitty days, through the bad mornings, right? When you're working out and you're waking up at 5, right, and you just have those days when you want to roll over and hit the snooze button, or you just don't want to deal with your spouse's crap today, right? Are you committed, or are you just excited about it? All right, being committed, you're going to stick it through the shit until you get the results that you want, and excited, you're in a high and then you're low, and then a high and a low. Control your emotions, make it happen. All right, I love y'all. Make sure you hit that tap button, but I'm gonna see you tomorrow, because just like you gotta bathe and just like you gotta eat, you gotta get your brain food every day. Love y'all. Peace. GetYourBrainFood.com.